Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to create a password protected zip file in command line in Oracle Linux 8 operating system. Okay, so let me go to the file explorer. So these are the files and directories in my home directory. So I am going to compress few files and directories with the archive, the password protected archive file. Okay, let me show how to create. So using zip command, I am creating the password protected zip archive. So zip -p provide the password. Demo.zip is the name of the file name. Now I am adding the content. Demo.java, HTML, demo.html, welcome.sh. So three files I added as content. So this is the syntax. Zip capital P. My password is a password. Demo.zip is archive name. Okay, so this demo.zip is created with password protected. Okay, so now I'm copying this, move to some other location. So let me delete the old contents. Okay, paste the new password protected zip archive here. Let me go to downloads folder. Now let me try to unzip. Okay, unzip demo.zip. See here, it's asking for a password. So provide the password what you given during the compression of file. So you can see that contents are extracted successfully. I can able to view the content. Okay. So now another method is there. So in previous command we given the password in command itself. Now we are going to create a password protected zip file by providing the password dynamically. Okay. So this is the command zip -e demo.zip is archive name. This is the content demo.java html demo.html welcome.sh. See here, now it's asking for a password for encryption. So this will ask for the password dynamically. So that is a difference between previous command and current command. Okay, zip -e. Okay, zip -e is the option. Okay, you can see demo.zip is created with password protection. So this is the way you can create password protected zip file in command line in Oracle Linux 8 operating system.